Mastering monthly routines. Spice up your conversations with frequency adverbs. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on talking about daily routines and habits. Today, we are going to dive into a very important and often overlooked part of conversational English, describing monthly routines. We'll be focusing specifically on using frequency adverbs to make your descriptions clearer and more natural. Before we start discussing monthly routines, let's recap what frequency adverbs are. Frequency adverbs are words that tell us how often something happens or is done. They include words like always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. But since we're talking about monthly routines, we'll be focusing on adverbs like monthly, occasionally, rarely, and never. Now that we know what frequency adverbs are, let's see how we can use them in sentences to describe monthly routines. These adverbs usually come before the main verb of the sentence, but after the verb, to be. For example, I occasionally go to the dentist, or, we are rarely late for the monthly meeting. Here's where we get into the crux of our topic today, describing monthly routines. Monthly routines are activities or tasks that you do once a month or every month. When discussing these routines, we often use frequency adverbs to make our sentences more informative. For example, if you have a book club meeting every month, you could say, I monthly attend a book club meeting. Or if you do something less regularly, like visiting your parents who live far away, you could say, I occasionally visit my parents. Now, let's put our knowledge to test. Try to construct your own sentences describing monthly routines using the frequency adverbs we discussed. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it for today's lesson on using frequency adverbs to describe monthly routines. By incorporating these adverbs into your English conversations, you will not only sound more fluent but also provide more detailed information about your routines and habits. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature to you. As always, happy learning, and I hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next lesson.